Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Apple World Travel Adapter Kit. So it looks like it comes with 5 adapters in here. From the front, I like how they put a picture of all 5 on the front. Pretty minimalist packaging, not much on the sides. Here's what it looks like. Well, actually on the back it looks like there's 7 adapters over here. Yeah, then got it for a little under 30 bucks. All right, here we go. Let's see what this is like. So this will be helpful for traveling internationally and having nice adapters. So one whole kit from Apple for all your Apple products. Let's check this out. Ooh. Okay. Cool. Interesting that this manual is in plastic. Okay, I don't think anything interesting here. It does tell you, yeah, there are 7 of them. Let's check out the English. Alright, here are all the adapters, 7 of them. Alright, check it out. Cool. That's pretty chill. Here's one. Here's another one. Oh, fits back in well. Oh, nice. Here's another one. And here's another one. So it's pretty cool how it fits in nice into these little holes on the storage. Keep this for storage. Cool. So there is 7. There are 7. And then the last one. Show you all this one. Cool. Yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got these from, and it's high quality. Feels high quality like Apple standard adapters. So drop a link in the video description on where I got this from, and yeah, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this one. I personally like this one the most. It's the coolest adapter. All right, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. I will catch you all in the next unboxing video. Later.